Hey everyone, welcome back to Nextgen Cad. My name is Vihaga and I am really happy to see you again. Before we start, I know Revit can sometimes look complicated. There are so many tools and options. And when you go to YouTube, most tutorials are hours long. That's why I'm creating these short 10 to 15 minutes step by step lessons. Each one covers one clear topic so you can quickly find what you need, whether it's doors, walls, or today's topic. Once we finish all these small lessons, I will upload complete project video where we'll design full house model with every detail included. Alright, in today's video, we are going to learn how to add stairs, railings, and floors between levels in Revit. Let's get started. Okay, let's add floor for the ground floor. Go to Architecture tab, select floor architecture. Next, you can see in properties, we can select which kind of floor we will add. So in here, I will choose this 12-inch one and go to level 1 because we are placing in ground floor. In here, you can choose so many tools for the placing floor like line tool or pick lines or pick walls, or you can just draw rectangle for the floor. Okay, I will choose pick lines because this one is easiest method. Pick this wall external edge and this one. And I will choose this trim and extend corner tool for the connecting purposes, because if these two are not connected, it will get some errors. Oh, I will show you if this one not connected. Yeah, you can see line must be in closed loops. The highlighted lines are not open on one end. So we will continue and we will close this gap. Click this tool and click one line and extend to another. Okay, and escape. So you can quit from the tool. And in the properties palette, for the instant parameters, you can change its height from offset. Now we placing this one is in level 1. So we'll, for the finish, you can click this green mark and we will go to the 3D look. In here, you can see floor is under the level 1. So floor placing is finished. Okay, now we are going to place stairs for this model. Firstly, go to level 1 because from the level 1, starting from the level 1, and then go to Architecture tab. In here, you can see stairs. For the stairs, here are some designs: straight stairs, full step spiral, center end spiral, L shape, something like that. So in here I only choose this run, and for the in the properties palette you can change base level for the stair in the ground, which area this one touching, and the top level is just top level, this one like from where to where. And if we need any offset, you can add here to base offset here. In this particular moment we don't need. And for the desired numbers, so if we need to change stairs steps numbers, I mean step quantity, so you can change it from here. In this case I will keep it to this one and apply, and you can create it here. So I will place it in here. Just click here and you can see in bottom it will shows how many steps are drawn, how many steps are remaining. When it go to 9, I will stop, click again, and I will start back. So same steps. Now you can see the stair is finished. For the alignment tool, I will use this one, align tool. For the align tool use, you can firstly click the wall and this one. The first click is fixed point. So this one only moving. Okay. Now we have finished stairs. Then click escape button to remove the tool. Then you can see the green one and click it. We'll switch back to 3D view. You can see the stairs. If the height looks wrong, adjust the base level and the top level in the properties palette. You can also edit the thread depth or rise height to match building standards. So next one is adding railings. When you create stairs, Revit automatically adds railings. But you can customize them. Select railings and click edit type. You can choose it from here, change for the glass panel. Something like this one. You can also remove add railings on one or both sides. So if you need to remove this side, you can click and delete. Or if you need to only railings for in top area only, so double click this one and go to level 1. You can see here. So if we know it in here, you can click and delete and okay. So you can see only top side railings are remaining. For the orbit rotation, clicks press shift and middle mouse button to orbit. Alright, today we learned how to create stairs and landings between levels, add and customize or change materials in railings and ground floor level ground floor setting. These are the essential tools when moving from single level plan to multi-story building. In the next video, we will continue adding top floors and roof. Thanks for watching Nextgen Cad. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It really helps me to grow this series. See you in the next one. Thank you.